EDC, or everyday carry. EDC is the first layer of preparedness which is carried on your person daily. At a bare minimum, that layer should include a knife and a flashlight. This compact kit, the AMP-3 EDC, is designed to augment your personal everyday carry. The goal is to provide essential items for the prepared citizen. My favorite axiom is the bigger the kit, the less likely you will have it when needed most. The AMP-3 EDC measures approximately 5 by 6 and is about 1.5 inches thick and weighs 6 ounces. This kit is not heavy, bulky, or full of any gimmicky gear. All labels are laser printed on Rite-in-the-Rain waterproof paper, and that paper can act as additional writing surfaces when needed. The contents are divided into 6 functional modules: medication module, the tool module, wound care module, which includes military energy gum, cordage module, a fire starter module, and an admin module, which includes our 9-line injury note and evac request, as well as 2 individual personal medication information cards. The lightweight, slim profile makes it easy to toss into your day pack, shoulder bag, sling bag, or just stuff into a cargo pocket. This increases the probability of having it close at hand when needed most. Prepare now to be prepared. Order your AMP-3 EDC kit today.